Let's go and welcome to another stream here on my channel. Welcome, and we are getting definitely into the direction with space. But before we starting into the market, let's talk about, I get so many messages and I don't know why. I think because my recent video that I talk about my space position. But I get so many messages recently that say, are you still in space? Are you still bullish on space? Are you, still investing in space? The answer is no. I am space. Okay, so welcome to this live stream. Make sure to smash the like button and follow if you haven't. Make sure to switch on the notifications to get notified. And before we diving in, I would like to offer you a small chance to get into the day trading group. So check out the brand new trailer before we getting into the real beef. Let me introduce you to my brand new product, X10 Day Trading. Basically, you are sick and tired of your 9-to-5 jobs like I was, then this is for you. Or you just want to get a little bit of money on the side, a couple of $1,000s per month with day trading, where you don't need to know technical analysis and where you watch only 10 videos to know the strategy that I used to 10x $2,000. Yes, in 1 month, and I did it twice. And let me tell you what comes with it: a 30-minute call with me, plus an exclusive group that is coming only with this purchase, plus a second 30-minute call with me a couple of weeks later to see if you're going. So I'm holding your hand, but obviously it's time limited, so 50 people maximum. Get in if you want right now. So if you want to support the channel and if you want to join our day trading group, there's like 2-3 places available. Check out the link into the website and it tells you everything you need to know. So let me know where you're watching from, because we have people from Australia here, Germany, Toronto, our member Jesper Hansen from Denmark, West Lafayette, US, Toronto, Vancouver, and Portugal. So what is happening? Why people ask me if I still hold space, I don't know. But basically there is a funny message that I just received recently. Said, oh, I don't know about space. Are you still in space? Are you still bullish? Can you give me kind of a due diligence? And I'd say, well, just watch my 500 videos on space or watch my almost daily video on space. Guys, if I will not be bullish on space anymore, you will know, okay? I will basically stop making videos on space, but that's not happening here on this channel. I still believe very much in this company. This year will be super fantastic, and I think this year we can also go break even, at least if you are averaging down. And speaking about averaging down, the market tried to do the turnaround Tuesday, but because of the oil prices that spiked a little bit more here and here, the S&P couldn't make it so far. But still, we are in the bottom phase. There's too much negativity on the market. There is the Russia thing, there's the oil thing. There is, rumors about, China, what's happening there, and so on and so forth. So all of that is nothing new, okay? So always understand what's going on in the market to make real moves on the market. But let's talk about space, because today's live stream is all about space. So if we are looking into space, at least space had a turnaround Tuesday today and could go green today, but we saw a very, very, very low and 52 weeks low as of today. And people said, no, you said we will see 6 and this is not the bear market, and so on and so forth. And what do we see? The market is going down further and further, and space is now at 7. Okay, so I have a little bit of knowledge about the market that I would love to spread as much as possible to you guys. So don't judge me by the short term, judge me by the long term, okay? And long term, my 1-minute YouTube career on a 20-year vision is basically being right on Tesla and then going into space, okay? So Let's go, guys. Let's go, guys. Make sure to let me know where you are watching from so I can give you a shout out later on. Guys, and I see some of the times, you know, a couple of negative comments. Just try to be positive, because the only thing that you get out of that you will get banned, you know, from the channel if you are too negative. And you know, that's not the way that your community works. The community is a respectful place where people can exchange their opinion, and if you don't like it, just don't watch my videos, right? So it's easy as that. So basically we are getting into a very, very interesting year for space, and that's why I'm still holding on. Everything that I see, I like. Basically in the development, the last earnings call with the Q3 of Q4 coming up, I don't see many companies that have this potential, right? If they really start the operation then end of this year, then this can be easily a $25-30 dollar stock. So a 5x from here, that can be quite realistic in my personal opinion. Let me know if not, you know. But that's my take. And I don't see any other stock on the market that has the potential to go 5x, because Virgin Galactic is a very big news related stock, and it will stay volatile. It will go up maybe to 30, then it will go down to 15, and then they will start operations on a regular base. Then it will go back to 40, then it will go back to 10, and so on and so on. This is totally normal, guys. Depending on the market, sometimes, you know, we have a crash like the .com bubble and all the internet stocks just crash. Now we have a crisis that is related to the Fed, that is related to the crisis in Russia, that is related to the inflation, and also this will pass in a couple of years, okay? And then we will see a more bullish tone, but it could be that for the next 1 or 2 years we are seeing a very, very bearish take on the markets with up and downs, okay? We can go down, like yesterday was the worst day in the whole year, and then the next day could be positive, okay? And the next day can be also a positive day. So just remember, the most positive days will be the after most negative days. So we could see a big jump just now. Also, the markets are quite shorted now, so a short squeeze could happen anytime soon. And don't forget, as much as there can be bad news from Ukraine, there could be also good news from Ukraine. Don't forget that. As soon as there's like talks, there's like stop of military action, whatever, there could be a huge market breather, okay? So just don't forget that as well. Usually people forget when they are, it's so bad on the markets, the people forget that they don't see the good news. And there's good news everywhere, right? So the good news is space is on the right way. Space is on time, at least they are saying it as per last earnings. We touched the 52-day low. I'm buying again on the end of the month, so I hope it just go even lower. 6 would be fantastic, but you never know, right? So we have about 6 minutes left in the day, and it seems like we are recovering a little bit into the closing. No, that's what was just not actualized. Okay, so we have like a plus 1%, okay, but there's nothing also in the chart. There's no news to Virgin Galactic. It's a quiet day. Everything is down because it's down, okay? And as you can see here, what I showed here, that could be fantastic, right? I mean, that would be crazy if we really reach to $4 or $5. That would be amazing. Anyway, for a long-term investor, obviously, right? So yeah, so let me know if you have any questions. So Charlie saying you told it's going to 6. The prediction is coming true. Yeah, let's see. When are they like to start the operation? Steve is asking when they start the operation in the Q4. So the last earnings report, they said in the Q4 they will start the operations. Okay. What else? Could you make another timeline video? Yeah, why not? That's a good idea. I always need good video ideas. So if you need to know something specific about space, I'm definitely looking into that. We have people also from Austria, Ohio, Portsmouth, San Diego, Belgium. People bought today. We have people from where else? California, Belfast, Lithuania. We have Vancouver, Toronto. So yeah, so that's pretty much it. I think that it's well, finally speaking to the markets, it's a very tough market to be in. Okay, very tough. I mean, the good thing is that as much as we go down, at some point we go up statistically speaking, because you know there is as many red days, there's always this bounce back, right? People start to buy, valuations getting more sense, there's more positive news than negative news, and etc etc. And Charlie saying make another celebration video for discount buyers. Steve Johnson, when they are likely to start operation, as I said, in Q4. And we have Atlanta in the house as well. And Steve Gallardo, he is from Holland. He bought as well today. So, yeah. Oh, there's some video on the space industry. Anyway, thank you very much for tuning in. Have a fantastic Tuesday. And make sure to tune in tomorrow. There's more to that. And thank you very much. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And smash the like button. Thank you very much, and see you tomorrow.